Welcome to ClearTask. If you have ever struggled to type complex math equations in Microsoft Word, you are not alone. Trying to find the right symbols for fractions, square roots, and integrals can be frustrating and time-consuming. But there is a built-in feature that makes it incredibly easy, and today I am going to show you exactly how to use it. Instead of typing out complicated formatting codes, we are going to use a feature called Ink Equation. This tool lets you handwrite your math and automatically converts it into perfectly formatted text. Here is exactly how to do it. First, open your Microsoft Word document and place your cursor right where you want the equation to appear. Next, go to the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. Look over to the far right for the equation button, click the drop-down arrow right below it and select Ink Equation from the menu. A grid window will pop up. This is your digital canvas. Now use your mouse, a stylus, or your touchscreen to simply write out the equation just like you would on a piece of paper. For example, write 1 over 2 equals the square root of 5. As you write, Word instantly previews the typed version at the top of the window. If it ever misreads a symbol, just use the erase or select and correct tools at the bottom to fix it. Once the preview looks perfect, click the Insert button. Your handwritten math is immediately placed into your document as a crisp professional equation. As a quick bonus tip, if you want to speed up your workflow later, you can press the Alt key and the equals key at the same time to instantly open a new equation block. That is all there is to it. If this quick tip saved you some time, please leave a like and subscribe to ClearTask for more simple, direct software tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.